Hey Blitzers! In this video, I'll show you how to connect Blitzit with other apps using IFTTT, which stands for if this, then that. The idea is simple. When something happens in another app, like a new card or task, it automatically shows up in Blitzit. So let's get started. In Blitzit, click on the integrations icon in the top right and select Webhooks. Choose the lists you want to connect. Then click Enable Webhooks on selected lists. Now open one of them and click the Webhooks icon in the top right. You'll see a webhook URL and a header with a sign-in secret. Here you can copy both of them. We'll need those in IFTTT. And a quick note, each list has its own unique webhook URL and sign-in secret. So if you are working with multiple lists, make sure you are not mixing them up. Alright, let's move over to IFTTT. Click Create to start building a new applet. You'll see the classic if this, then that layout. Start with the if this part. Click Add, search for the app you want to connect. In this example, we'll use Trello. Select the trigger Card Added to Board. Next, connect your Trello account, grant the required permissions, and choose the board you want to monitor. Then click Create Trigger. Now for the then that part. This is where we send data to Blitzit. Click Add, search for webhooks, and choose Make a Web Request. In the configuration page, paste your Blitzit webhook URL into the URL field. Set the method to POST and the content type to application JSON. Then add the header. In the additional headers field, enter X Blitzit secret with a colon and paste your sign-in secret from Blitzit. Now we define what data gets sent. In the body section, you'll write a JSON structure that maps Blitzit fields to Trello data. It might look a bit technical at first, but no worries. You can find the template in the Help Center article, the link is in the description. On the left side, you have Blitzit parameters like title or description. On the right side, you insert Trello data using ingredients. You can add those by clicking Add Ingredient. So the required fields are action, which should always be set to create, written manually, title paired with title, and ID paired with something unique, like the cart URL. The idea is to map data from Trello into Blitzit fields. You can add some optional fields as well, like, for example, here we have a description. Check the Guide tab inside your Blitzit Webhooks panel. It has the full list of supported fields. Once your body is set up, click Create Action. You'll go back to the overview screen. Click Continue, give your applet a name, something you'll recognize later, and then click Finish. Now your applet is live. You'll land on its page where you can review the setup, edit it if needed, or tweak additional options. From this point on, whenever a new card is created in Trello, it will be sent to Blitzit and appear as a task. It might take a short moment to show up, so don't worry if it's not instant. And just like that, you can repeat the similar setup with other apps in IFTTT. Trello is just one example. Back in Blitzit, you can manage everything from the integrations dashboard. You can see all connect lists, open any of them, or connect new ones. Inside each list's webhooks panel, you can enable or disable the integration, unlink it completely, check the Guide tab for supported fields, or look at the Errors tab if something isn't working as expected. One last thing to keep in mind, this integration is currently one-way. It sends data into Blitzit, but not back out. Two-way syncing is coming in the future, and as always, your feedback is welcome. Happy Blitzing!